Here I have OPPO K11, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of situation? Firstly, you have to hold down power key plus volume up in order to turn your device off, then slide power off. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And when the screen turns on and you can see OPPO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following menu, you have to select English, then select format data. Then you will have to enter this verification code, like not specific this one, but the one that you will have on your own device, then tap format. After a few seconds all the data from your device will be formatted and then device will be restarted in about a minute or two. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.